You go to a bar after work one evening with a bunch of friends and you are the designated driver. During the course of the evening, your two friends decide to buy you drinks, and for whatever reason you go ahead and have some drinks. You then head home, and on the way home you get into an accident. Are you, as a designated driver, going to be responsible for the accident that you caused? The short answer is yes, but here's an interesting twist that was in today's paper. Well, these friends had gone to a place called the Nutty Irishman Bar in Farmingdale here in New York. Now what's interesting is that these guys, these two of his friends, bought drinks for the designated driver, and the guy actually drank. And on the way home caused an accident. So it involved one of the passengers who got hurt. The passenger then sued the designated driver and also the bar. Now why would he sue the bar? He sued the bar because of something known as the dram shop law, which basically says that the owner of the bar is going to be held responsible if they sell alcohol to somebody who's visibly intoxicated. Well, what's interesting is that the owner of the bar then turns around and sued the two friends. Why did they sue the two friends? Well, they tried to cast off their responsibility and say that the two friends had a legal obligation not to buy drinks for their friend who was the designated driver. Now, that's a novel concept of trying to throw off your own responsibility and push it off onto someone else. It's basically saying, don't look at me, I didn't do it, it's his fault. Well, that's what they were trying to do. And the court in this particular case said no. Even though it's a novel concept, that's not going to work. Why not? Because although the friends may have had a moral obligation not to buy drinks for the designated driver, there was no legal requirement that said they could not. And because of that, the court dismissed the claim against the two friends for buying the designated driver drinks. So why do I tell you this? Well, I tell you this because it's an interesting story, somewhat convoluted, but more importantly, if you find yourself in a similar situation, then I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me, since I can answer your legal questions. That's what I do for a living. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I welcome your call. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.